All right. Welcome to this channel, Cardi Hub. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you 5 different channels you can sell your product online, regardless of where you are. 5 different channels where you can make profits, sell your products with less experience, without experience. You don't even if you have not sold anything online before, regardless of where you are. If you are in Europe or you are in Africa, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how you can sell your products and services. Right, let's dive straight into the video. All right, the first we are going to discuss here is free classified websites. If you're just coming online, if you're just starting an online business, and you're wondering where to start from, and you're thinking of how to since you don't have an audience already, you don't know how to start. The first channel I would recommend is free classified websites. What are free classified websites? These are websites that you list your product and services, and you attach your contacts, and when whenever your potential client needs your service, the person contacts you, picks up your contact, either your email or your email address or your phone number from the websites or database which you've listed your service, and the person engages you. So those are free. That's what they call free classified website. A good example of a free classified website in the US is Craigslist. Craigslist is a fantastic. They have been around for a while, as you can see here. They've been around for some time. Craigslist, they're very good uh, free classified website in the US. They have an app. If you are around the location US, UK, you can give it a shot. There's also Gumtree. Gumtree is another free classified website in the UK. You can see people have listed their cars, they have listed some certain services. You don't have to have a customer base, you don't have to have list email addresses of your clients. You just list your products, and that's it. Start to get engagement. Although most of some of the platforms, they have premium service, but I'm sure you can just play around the free and get used to it. If you're in Nigeria or Africa, you can look at Gigi. There's this platform called Gigi. You can give it a shot as well. It's a free classified website. List your products, and start to get some engagement so you can understand the platform better. All right, that will come to the end of the first channel, which is free classified websites. Okay, secondly, we're going to talk about multi-vendor websites. Multi-vendor websites or multi-vendor channel. These are channel where you you list your product and service, and the service provider or the owners of the website, they handle the delivery, they handle the service, the rest of the service. Whenever you have an order, they pick up the item, they ship it for you, and that's what. And you have multiple sellers selling there, so that they are called multi-vendor website. A good example of a multi-vendor website is Amazon. Amazon is a multi-vendor website, multi-vendor channel. You can actually sell on Amazon. You can list your products. If you're a service provider, if you sell products, you can actually list your service on Amazon and take advantage of they have been around for a while. And another one I would recommend is eBay. eBay is also a uh, very fantastic multi-vendor platform. You can give it a shot. If you are selling products, if you're in the UK, US, Canada, you can give it a shot. list your product and service on this platform. If you're in Africa, you can make use of Jumia. Jumia is a good platform. They have over 90 million products listed on the platform. You can sell all kind of products you have, and you get local buyers in Africa. So that rounds up the second channel you sell. You can sell your products on services. This third one I'm going to recommend is social media. Social media is a very fantastic platform. It's a great platform that offers a lot of opportunity for you to harness and sell your products and services. Social media giants like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, so they have great opportunities. They have great advantage. They have each of them has their own peculiar advantage. So, but among them, Facebook seems to be the biggest and the most profitable. Currently, Facebook has about 3 billion users monthly. So you can take advantage of Facebook. You can actually create a Facebook page. You create a Facebook page, you customize your page, and voila, you can create ads. You create video ads. You can create retargeting ads. You can create a collection ads. You can create a lot of ads, banner ads, and the rest on Facebook. I would recommend you to give it a shot. You create a Facebook ad. Subsequently, we're going to release more videos about each topic here specifically so that you can understand how to step by step how to go about it. Like Facebook ads, how to set it up and take advantage of the latest strategies, their tactics of Facebook. So let's continue. Like Facebook, you can go to Facebook web.facebook.com business ads. You can see you can see your Facebook. You can see this is where you can create an ad on Facebook. If you already have a page, you can create your Facebook ad here. As for Twitter, this is where you can create Twitter ad. You can create your ads on Twitter, and as well as Pinterest. You can take advantage of each of these social media platforms. They have their peculiar advantage. They are different in their little ways, but you can go through them and see how you can leverage on each of them. The fourth one we're going to discuss here is Google. Google is a very great platform. It's one of the biggest and most valuable company in the world currently behind Amazon. So that being said, they they have an enormous advantage. They have enormous opportunities on Google. You can create your business profile on Google using Google My Business. You can create a Google business profile, a free business profile that if you're a local business or you can just create a business page. You can go to business.google and create your page, and you can make it easy for potential clients and customers to get in touch with you. So as well as you can create an ad on Google, you can create a couple of ads if you have a website. If you Even if you don't have a website, you can create some display ads. You can create a couple of but recommendedly if you have a link like a page, like a particular page, like a particular store link that you might want to target, you You can create ads using Google. I know it's pretty much advanced for a beginner, but I just want you to understand that there are a lot of opportunities you can get from this platform that aren't elsewhere. So that's it. All right, let's go to the fourth one, the fifth one rather, which is be the last among these, but obviously not the least, which is creating your own store. Yes, creating your own store. I know we have spoken about a couple of opportunities on listing product on other platforms, listing, trying to sell free on free classified, multi-vendor websites. But each of those platforms have their limitations. They have a couple of limitations that you are exposed to while using them. For example, let's say Amazon or Jumia. Those platforms, in as much as you get sales with less effort, when you start getting sales, much sales from for some particular products, they tend to it's possible for the store owners to actually sell the same commodity, sell the same product rather that you sell, making it very difficult for you to actually make sales on your product. That tells you don't have control over it. So compared to having your own store, having your own e-commerce platform that you can customize to your tails and actually control whatever happens. A good platform I would recommend is WordPress. WordPress is an open source platform. You can actually get a go with it. You can get used to it in few after few minutes playing with it. It's a very great platform for you to create your website, create your blog. So I'm going to be creating a video on WordPress and WooCommerce and a couple of others for you to understand it better. I'm going to be creating more videos. Also, using WordPress, you are going to need to install WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin on WordPress. It's built on WordPress interface. You can install it after creating your WordPress account. Just like I said, I'm going to create a video on this WooCommerce and WordPress and others that we've spoken about. You can drop in your comment below what video you would like me to create after this one, what video idea you are interested in, so I can put it on our bookmark and create video for you. Also, that being said, that comes to the end of this particular tutorial. Let me give you a quick recap of what we just spoke about. Spoke about listing your products on free classified websites like Craigslist, Gumtree, and Gigi. We spoke about listing your products on multi-vendor websites such like Amazon, Jumia, eBay, and I forgot to spoke about Facebook Markets. Facebook Markets just came of recent. It's also a good platform for you to list your products. Facebook Market, you can just check it out. Facebook Market. All right. We spoke about listing your products, harnessing the power of social media to sell your products so that you can create ads on Facebook, uh, Twitter, and Pinterest. Facebook owns Instagram and WhatsApp. So it makes it easier for you to create a Facebook account, create an ad on Facebook, and show it on Instagram and WhatsApp. So we spoke about Google, how to use Google to sell your products, and last but not least, we spoke about custom store, having your own store, and why it is relevant for you to have your store as compared to relying on open source platforms like the free classified and the multi-vendor. All right. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Click the like button and the subscribe so to encourage us to create more of valuable contents for you like this. Thank you very much. See you later.